RC and R on a thermostat tell you which power feeds control heating and cooling, so you don't accidentally crosswire systems or blow a transformer. For a single transformer system, you will usually see an R terminal supplying 24-volt power and a jumper to RC, so both cooling and heating controls are powered. If your thermostat has separate R and RC and you have only one furnace or air handler, leave the jumper in place and wire the cooling call to RC and the heating call to R so both circuits share the same 24-volt feed. If you have two separate systems, for example, a boiler for heat and an air conditioner with its own transformer MIO, remove the jumper and wire the boiler's transformer hot to R and the air conditioner's transformer hot to RC to keep the two transformer secondaries electrically isolated. Never tie two transformer outputs together, or you will short them and likely blow fuses. When replacing a thermostat, first turn off all power at the furnace and outdoor unit, then label each wire with its letter using masking tape before disconnecting so you retain exact function mapping. Check continuity with a meter if you suspect a shared common or a broken wire. Use the thermostat manufacturer's compatibility tool or the wiring diagram from the control board to confirm which terminal corresponds to heating call, cooling call, fan, and common. Modern smart thermostats often require a common wire, so plan for a C conductor or a power extender kit. If you see only one R and no RC, assume R powers both and do not add or remove jumpers. If replacing an older mechanical stat with a digital or smart unit, confirm the new unit supports two transformer isolation or provides instructions to remove the jumper. For multi-stage systems or heat pump setups, the labeling changes PAMO-C. Look for O, B, and auxiliary terminals, I, D, E. And in those cases, keep jumpers only as the equipment manual specifies. Finally, always secure loose thermostat wiring so it cannot short the control board. And if you are unsure, stop and call a licensed HVAC technician rather than guessing. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is misplacing the RC jumper, causing transformer conflict and blown fuses. Fix this by identifying whether you have one or two transformers and keep the jumper only for a single transformer system. One of the second common issue is assuming every smart thermostat needs a common wire, which leads to dead displays. Fix this by testing for a C conductor at the stat location or installing a power extender kit from the thermostat maker. One of the third frequent error is swapping wire labels during replacement, especially with multiple systems wired into a single stat. Fix this by marking each wire at the old thermostat, photographing the connections, and verifying at the equipment control boards to ensure each wire goes to its correct terminal. BigHomeProjects.com lists trusted local contractors and detailed how-to guides related to thermostat wiring and replacement. Use the directory to find licensed HVAC professionals for complex two-transformer jobs and let contractors get work by creating a profile with verified reviews and service area details.